If your Meta or Google ads are running right now, there is a very good chance your account is losing money silently. Not because your strategy is wrong, but because there are leaks in your account and your dashboard is hiding from you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what those leaks look like, where to find them, and what to do about them. Step 1. Understand what a revenue leak actually is. A revenue leak is not a failed campaign. A revenue leak is budget that is being spent with zero chance of returning value, and it's running right now silently alongside your winning campaigns. Most brands only look at overall ROAS. If the number looks acceptable, they assume everything is fine. But ROAS is an average. It hides what's happening at the individual campaign, ad sets, and creative level. Think of it like this. If 3 of your ad sets are returning 8x and 2 returning 0.3x, your blended ROAS might look healthy at 4x, but those 2 ad sets are draining your budget every single day. Step 2. The 3 most common leaks to check today. Leak 1, dead audience still spending, go into your Meta Ads Manager. Filter for ad sets that have spent money in the last 30 days. Now sort by purchase conversion rate. You will find ad sets with meaningful spend and near zero conversions. These are dead audience. Turn off them today. Leak 2, creative fatigue running detected. Pull a frequency report on your active creatives. Any creative about 2.5 frequency with a declining CTR is in decay. You are paying premium CPMs to show a tied ad to people who have already ignored multiple times. Leak 3, keyword waste on Google. In Google Ads, go to your search terms report. Filter for terms that receives clicks but zero conversions in the last 30 days, and every irrelevant one as a negative keyword. I guarantee you will find budget going to searches that have zero buying intent. Step 3. Build a weekly leak audit habit. Set a recurring task every Monday morning. 20 minutes, 3 checks. Dead audiences, creative frequency, Google search terms. This alone will save most e-commerce brands between 15 and 30% of their monthly ad spend. Not by spending more, but stopping the waste. The brands that scale fastest are not the ones with the biggest budgets. They are the ones with tightest systems. One audit per week, 20 minutes. That is the difference between a profitable ad account and one that quietly bleeds. If you want this audit done automatically every week without touching the dashboard, that's exactly what whittlesback.ai does. Link in the bio, check it out.
If this helped you to see marketing, AI, or business differently, this is just the beginning. Subscribe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.